Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. If you're preparing for any competitive examinations after your law, then you're at the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel that is Legal Beat. Legal Beat पे हम आपके लिए काफी सारे videos लेकर आते हैं that is helpful for your exam preparation and also gives you strategies for these preparation along with content. कोई भी queries हो reach out to us by writing us an email on hello@iexamby.com. You can also call us on this number 9205524028. Visit our website www.iexamby.com. Check out all the courses available. You can also activate the demos of these courses. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. I have recently started a series dealing with important questions from banking as well as insurance laws, and in this video today I will be taking up Payments and Settlements Act 2007. This is the seventh part of my series. If you have missed the other videos, you can check it out in the playlist of Legal B. First question, Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007 does not apply to stock exchange, designated trade repository, clearing system, payment system, system providing settlement services. The correct answer is A, stock exchange. Definition of payment system is that it is a system that enables payment to be effected between a payer and a beneficiary, involving clearing, payment or settlement service or all of them. But it does not include stock exchange, ये specifically दिया हुआ है. Section 34 talks about this, Section 34A as well, that it can apply to designated trade repositories and issuers. Who has the power to remove difficulties under Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007? RBI, central government, payment system, commercial bank, state government. ये remove difficulties का काम power किसके पास है? Correct answer is B. Central government has this power. Section 37 covers this. What is the punishment under Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007 in case a person discloses prohibited information? Imprisonment up to 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 12 months. There is an imprisonment which we can make out from the options itself. But for how many months? Correct answer is D. Imprisonment up to 6 months. It is covered under Section 26, Clause 4, in which this penalty has been covered. If anybody discloses the information which is prohibited under Section 22, he shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine which may extend to 5 lakh rupees. अभी यहाँ पे सिर्फ imprisonment में ही आपको choice थी options में, इसलिए आपने इसको mention किया. अगर imprisonment के साथ fine भी होता तो आपको fine consider करके सही answer select करना होता. System participants shall create a panel for settlement of disputes. This panel will consist of dash system participants. The number has been asked over here. 2, at least 2, 3, at least 3, 5. These are all direct questions which can be asked from this particular act. These are very basics. I hope everybody is studying the basics from each act because this is something which is expected. Correct answer is D. At least 3 should be there. Settlement of disputes is covered under Section 24. उसमें ये point covered है that not less than 3 system participants are required. If a system provider wants to cause any change affecting the structure of payment system, notice of not less than dash days is required to be given to the system participants. 30 days, 15 days, 45 days, 60 days, 90 days. So minimum number of days notice that is required to be given is 30 days. Notice of change in the payment system, Section 11 covers this point. State settlement and trading is given under section dash of Payment and Settlements Act. कुछ section based questions भी मैं डालती रहती हूँ ताकि आप कुछ important sections के लिए prepared रहे. And if you're able to remember the section numbers where it is very landmark, it's well and good. Answer is B, Section 23, Settlement and Netting. An applicant whose application for operation of payment system is refused may appeal to the central government within dash number of days, 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, 90 days. So the appeal to central government lies, this also should be clear to you. Number of days within which it will go is 30 days. Section 9 covers this point, appeal to the central government. अब यहाँ पे आपको number of days पूछा था, they may also ask you that appeal lies to whom. When can the Reserve Bank revoke the authorization that has been given to a system provider? If they contravene the provisions of this Act, if they do not comply with the regulations, if operate the payment system contrary to the conditions subject to which the authorization was issued, A and B both, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Very easy. We can even guess it by applying simple logic. Section 8 covers this point. Revocation of authorization can be done if contravention of provisions is there, they don't comply with the regulations, or they fail to comply with the orders or directions issued by the designated authority, or they operate the payment system contrary to conditions subject to which the authorization was issued to them. Any person desirous of commencing or carrying on a payment system may not apply to the dash for an authorization under this Act. Central government, state government, Reserve Bank, banking codes and standard boards of India, International Financial Service Center. What they have asked you over here is may apply to the dash for an authorization under this Act. So desirous of commencing or carrying on a payment system, if anybody wants to do this, they may apply to whom for authorization? Very basic question again. Correct answer is C, Reserve Bank. Section 5 covers this point. Application for authorization has to be made before Reserve Bank of India. FEMA also is going to have the same similar provision. RBI के पास पावर है authorization grant करने का, application किया जाता है, same thing यहाँ पे भी. Bank or any other person participating in a payment system and includes the system provider is known as system participant, system provider, trade repository, payment system, issuer. ये सारे terms जो भी इसमें newly introduced हैं, इनके meanings के लिए आप flow charts भी बना सकते हो for your revision also and conceptual clarity. And keep the section numbers also in front of that. Answer is system participant, a bank or any other person participating in a payment system, and it also includes the system provider. Now you may have a question, why not system provider is the correct answer? Because they have asked you the definition, so the most appropriate and correct answer will be A over here. This may be one type, but they are asking you the definition, so give the term for that. Objective of Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007 is to provide for regulation of payment systems in India, to provide for supervision of payment systems in India, to designate RBI as authority for regulation and supervision, both B and C, all A, B and C. So what are the objectives? Whenever you study such kind of acts, always be clear with the objectives. Correct answer is E. All of these are the objectives. Preamble of this act covers these basic objectives. Which of the following is true with respect to derivative under Payment and Settlements Act, Systems Act 2007? Derivative is an instrument to be settled at a future date. It derives its value from change in interest rate. It is an instrument to be settled at the date of contract. Both A and B, B and C. So, correct answer is D, both A and B. Derivative is an instrument that has to be settled at a future date, and its value from change in, it derives its value from change in the interest rate. This is what is the exact definition. Again, a concept which may be asked. Payment instruction means an instrument, authorization or order in any form including electronic means to effect a payment by a person to a system participant, by a system participant to another system participant to a person, both A and B, all A, B and C. Again, if we apply simple logic, we can answer this that A and B will be covered over here by a person to a system participant and by a system participant to another system participant. Payment instructions. What are these? Instrument, authorization, order in any form, including electronic means also to effect a payment. In that they have covered these two categories clearly. Which of the following is true with respect to systemic risk? This is the risk arising from inability of a system participant to meet his payment obligations. Risk arising from any disruption in the system. There is any doubt with respect to systemic risk, decision of Reserve Bank shall be final. All B, A, B, C are true. What they are asking you is that which of the following is true, or all of them are true. What is there in the D option, which we can see over here, or in E option, none of the above are true. So very carefully you read the question and options first and then answer. Correct answer is D. All of these are true. All of these are coming under systemic risk. All these points you can find. Last question for today. If you want anywhere, you can download the PPT also and check the questions, answers. कोई भी doubts हो, reach out to us in the comment section of the video. वीडियो को pause करके भी आप क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से सुन सकते हैं एंड अपना आंसरिंग करके भी आंसर मेरा चेक कर सकते हैं आप लोग वीडियो पॉज करके. Payments Regulatory Board shall consist of dash members 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Again a basic question. What is the board? What is the purpose of it? What are the powers? What are the number of members? So correct answer over here is 6. Answer is C. Section 3, Clause 2. Reserve Bank shall exercise the powers to perform the functions, discharge the duties that are conferred on it under this Act through a board that is to be known as the Payments Regulatory Board. The board shall consist of who all? Governor of RBI, who will be the chairperson, ex officio member he will be, deputy governor in charge will be there, ex officio again, one officer of the RBI will be nominated, again ex officio, 3 persons to be nominated by the central government will be the members. So read this section in much detail. I have only shared two and three clauses over here, that is 2 clauses. So please be clear with all such kind of questions and concepts. In case of doubts, reach out to us. Take benefit of all these videos, upcoming videos as well. Stay tuned to iExamB. Prepare 50% faster with us. Download our app from the Google Play Store. Thank you, everybody.